So I have a Bauer pressure washer here, and it has a feed function for soap. And you take the little tube and you plug it in right there. Okay. Now, if you're wondering how to get it to work, I'll show you how not to do it first. Okay, so nothing came out. And the reason is because of this tip right here. So what you have to do is you have to pop this off. I'll have to do it with the second hand. All right, and you do that by pulling this down and pulling. I just don't have enough hands. And then I might be able to pop this on. You take the blue tip. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. I can't. This is going to dribble. So now we're getting our soap. And that's all there is to it. So it just won't suck anything out of the siphon unless you have the blue tip on. And so that's your quick tip for today.